Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 5564 Vardon Drive, the luxurious and one and only lodge home of Bristol Harbor, embracing its nature setting with access to one of the premier lakes in the country, Canandaigua Lake. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. This is the epitome of a grand portico entrance, with natural stone columns and a cathedral wood ceiling, leading to the wow shot of the great room. Enjoy an over-the-top great room that is perfectly set up for entertaining with a showcased granite kitchen, with gorgeous shaker-style cabinetry, high-end stainless steel appliances, a tile backsplash, an expansive center island, and 2 bar seating areas. A dining area featuring a wall of windows with a sliding glass door to the patio and beautiful hickory floors, leading to the living area with a wood-burning fireplace with a rustic stone surround climbing over 19 feet, ribbon windows, and double sliding glass doors that bring nature inside. There is no shortage of space in this home with 4 elegant primary suites. 2 on the first floor with beautiful hickory floors, walk-in closets, and spa bathrooms with high-end fixtures. 1 with a soaking tub, like you're staying at your own spa. The other 2 suites on the second floor feature those gorgeous hickory floors and walk-in closets, 1 with a cathedral ceiling and deluxe bathroom, and the other with a private balcony overlooking the woods and an extravagant bathroom. In total, 8 possible bedrooms and 6.5 bathrooms, plus first and second floor laundry. This home also features a partially finished lower level with 2 bedrooms with egress windows and a Jack and Jill bathroom, plus great storage. The quality craftsmanship and impeccable construction can be seen in this lodge home, with the architecture focusing on the rustic style while embracing natural materials, large windows, and an open floor plan. Enjoy opening up your entertaining space to the outdoors with this ultimate covered patio. With a gas fireplace, TV, rustic wood ceiling with recessed lights, and a grilling station, all overlooking the beautiful nature setting. Enjoy one of the premier lakes in the entire country, with Bristol Harbor offering a pristine sand beach on beautiful Canandaigua Lake, with kayaks, paddleboards, a boat slip, plus a clubhouse with a kitchen, great room, fitness center, tennis and pickleball courts, basketball court, fire pits, and more, like summer concerts and food truck rodeos. Enjoy the best of Canandaigua Lake.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5564 Vardon Drive in Canandaigua, one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!